Hey everybody, this is the third and final posting of the subwoofer project. Uh, First of all, I apologize for the late postings. We've had many things going on. Nevertheless, here it is. Like I said, the final product, it ended up being, let's see here, about 24 inches by about 20 inches high. And I think it's about 11 and a half inches wide. Yeah. Okay, so I know in the other previous videos I talked about adding a some type of wooden finish to it, to the front of this subwoofer, but as you can see, I decided to leave it all black. I painted it all black. I think it's a much cleaner look. I definitely like this curve I did here, or as I mentioned, like I said in my previous video, kerf. K-E-R-F. So anyway, this subwoofer is pretty amazing. Somebody asked me in the previous video if I took any specific dimension or measurements for the subwoofer, and to be honest, I really didn't. I just pretty much read online stuff that they had on subwoofer enclosures and whatnot, and to be honest, I just put two and two together, and I couldn't even tell you what the inside airspace is, or volume, or whatever the appropriate term is for it, but I can tell you that it does sound pretty amazing. Having said that, let's go ahead and give it a listen. I'm not sure whether the sound will come in as clear or clean through regular computer speakers or your earphones, what have you. But yeah, there it is.